Ready to test your detective skills? Let's see if you can spot the fakes. Most of us believe we're savvy online. We think we can sniff out a scam just like that. But the reality? It's trickier than you might think. Enter the world of catfishing. Scammers create fake profiles, steal photos, and build fake personas. They gain your trust, then pounce, asking for money or personal details. And don't forget phishing scams. Those emails claiming your account's compromised? Yeah, often fake. Click a link and boom, malware city. These tricksters even use social engineering, posing as your bank or a government agency to extract personal info. The nerve, right? Even the tech-savvy can fall for these slick tricks. AI-generated voices, deep fakes. Scammers are upping their game every day. So stay sharp, be cautious with your info, and if something feels off, it probably is. Got tricked by a scam? Share your story in the comments. Let's outsmart these scammers together. Stay safe, tech warriors.